Hi, welcome back to Delaware Acre. It's a rainy day here in my town. I have the windows open and I'm watching the rain fall from my kitchen. I have one child in school, one child is home. You may hear her running around back there. I have these beautiful figs that my girlfriend down the street gave me that are in desperate need of being used. I don't want them to go to waste. I'd like to preserve them. So I have some scones, or not scones, but muffins in the oven. I'm not sure how well those are going to turn out. It's a test recipe. And then I just Googled another recipe. So fig butter came up. You just put it in the crock pot. So the recipe just says 6 cups of figs with no stems. So I'm just cutting the stem off. And then I have a 4-cup measuring cup here. It doesn't say to dice them up or chop them. Oh, this one's really squishy, so I'm gonna toss that one. And I just put them in my compost. Just cutting the stems off. It says 6 cups, so I guess I'll have about 6 cups here. I love figs. My kids are kind of on the fence. They like fig Newtons. I mean, honestly, I don't know any kids that don't, but I tried to get them to eat just the fig, and they weren't having it. So, just gonna try to make this fig butter and see how it goes. It'll probably be good on sourdough toast, or maybe if I even use the fig butter in a recipe. But this recipe says that you can water bath can this, I guess because the lemon juice is in there, so it's preservable via water bath canning. So I can show you that. That's a tiny one. I keep missing the compost bucket. It's not going in there. Oh, see, there's a really, I don't know if it's still good. Let me know. Are they still good if they're this squishy? I don't know. Maybe it's a texture issue. So that whole bowl was just about 4 cups. So I have more waiting. Rinsed them. These were picked more recently. The first batch I was using were a little bit older. These are a little more firm, but they'll all eat well. So we're getting there. We might have just about 6 cups. So there's 4. This is just to dump them in. So have a stem. Little tiny one, so cute. Just be shy of 6 cups. I did eat quite a few of these fresh, so I had no idea that fresh figs were so good. I can't wait till my fig trees are producing. So, going for it. Just gonna try that one's a little too green. Oh, that one's nice and soft. All right, so we have about 3 that are still not quite ripe yet. All right, and then it says 3/4 cup of sweet. Got the twist off. 3/4 cup. And then 3/4 cup of honey. Mine is very, very stiff. Let's see.
You're doing great, Mommy.
Thanks, Bear. So I have a 1/2 cup of fit in there. Of course, it won't fit. So I guess I'm just gonna fill this up. I'm just gonna go with 1/2 cup of honey, just because I don't really like the flavor of honey that much. Can't stand sticky fingers. Okay. 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. Just shake this up. There's always sediment in the bottom of these. tablespoons of vanilla. You can never have enough vanilla. 2. Oh, I got it all over my recipe. And then some cinnamon. The recipe says 2 hours on high and then come back and mash. So I will show you what this looks like. What it looks like in the crock pot. A little bit of liquid in there from the wine and the juice. So I'll see you in 2 hours when we mash. I guess my sage. I love to see the water drops on the leaves. Some catnip, some rosemary, thyme, strawberries, some more sage, and some dill started growing in there, and then a volunteer tomato plant. But look how pretty these are. Aren't they beautiful? My girlfriend at work gave me these. And something ate them all the way down to a nub, and they came back. I was so surprised. They're so pretty. It's so pretty in the rain too. Okay, timer's done. Let's check it out. All right. So I'm just gonna smash, 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 brothers. Oh, there's a train going by. Can you hear it? Smell is quite interesting. I don't know, maybe it's my wine, maybe it's the cinnamon. I'm not sure. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. We shall see.
Okay, so I don't really like the texture of this butter. I've never made like an apple butter or pear butter or any other type of like fruit spread butter. So I'm not sure if that's, I'm assuming that's what this is supposed to look like. I think I just don't like the honey and the cinnamon together. I'm not really feeling the smell of this. I am actually going to cool it down, and then I'm going to blend it, and then I'm going to put it back in the crock and see what happens. And hopefully it'll at least look more appetizing. I'm not really feeling the smell though. And the wine, I drink this wine all the time, so I'm not thinking it's the wine. I really think it's the honey and the cinnamon. I'm not a big warm cinnamon fan. Like, I don't like pumpkin spice, and I don't like, what's that awful cinnamon smell that people use around like Christmas time? Oh, gosh, I can't stand that smell. So I'm gonna let this cool down. I'm gonna do a workout. Then I'm gonna blend it and put it back in the crock. So yeah.
Okay, so it's cooled down some. I'm gonna put this. I'm just gonna scoop. Oh, I guess I should slide that out some. Okay. All right. Oh, I guess I should plug it in. Okay. Looks a little better to me. Okay, back in the crock pot. Here we go. I switched to the spatula because that metal spoon, oh my gosh, the scraping. Oh, nails on a chalkboard. But I have it on 8 hours. I'm gonna probably check it in 5 or 6. But it's on low. Let's see how it goes. And the muffins, I definitely overfilled them. They're a little flat. But my daughter and I tried one, and they taste okay. They don't taste overly figgy, but they were sweetened with honey as well, and I, again, am not a honey fan. So I'm getting ready to go pick up my son from school and give him one and see what he thinks. Okay, it's been about 4 hours and I can't stand the smell of this, so I don't think I'm gonna like it. The consistency, I guess this is what it's supposed to look like. But I'm just gonna jar it up, and it's gonna be gifts for people at work tomorrow. People that I work with, see if they'll like it. I'll try it, but I really don't like the smell. So, yeah. What it looks like. Doesn't look bad. I'm sure it tastes good. I can taste the honey. It doesn't taste bad. I'm just not a honey fan. So it's unfortunate, but then you go to waste. I made this. I'm not gonna get my water bath canner out just for this. And I don't really like it enough to keep it. So I will grab some bagels or make a loaf of sourdough. Probably just take it to work and share and get some feedback from my coworkers. They're usually pretty honest with me. So yeah, I wouldn't say it's a bust, just not my, it's my cup of tea, my Flavo butter. I'm not sure, but yeah. Oh well, live and learn, right?